Hi, this is Vivian from the Kickstart team. In this demo, I will show you how to create a full-blown Magnolia website from a static HTML prototype using MGNL Kickstart. So let's go. Let's log into Magnolia, and I will first show you the static prototype source. So this is the page we are going to create a Magnolia site for. So first thing to do is I will show you that you can trust us. I will show that we have no template in here. We have a blank Magnolia instance with Kickstart installed. So first we have to mount the resources workspace from Magnolia to our computer using WebDAV so that we can work locally. This takes a little while. Here we go. We switch to our favorite IDE, IntelliJ, and we see the resources are quite there. Okay, this is our source of our static prototype, and let's start turning this one into a full-blown custom Magnolia website. So we need to insert some XML declarations. Let's turn this one into a Magnolia template by adding a page and specifying a name. Hit save. Go back to your browser. Reload the app. Create a page called home. And here we go. Here's our base template. Open the page, and that's our first Kickstart generated Magnolia page definition. So it's still everything static in here. Let's go back and make it a little bit more dynamic. So first we want to make the title editable like this. Then we locate the article tag to turn this one into our main area. Next we want to make the header editable within the area. We provide a field name saying headline, and since we want to use HTML code in here, we have to tell Magnolia to decode whatever we put in here. We do this by wrapping this with a Kickstart placeholder tag and say decode true. Okay, save this, go back to Magnolia, refresh the page, and here's our main area. So put in some code. Let's say we use this also here to see that it really looks the same. Here we are. Okay, let's create some components. First we are creating a text image component. Switch back to IntelliJ. Say we want to have these elements turned into components. So first we have to wrap this with Kickstart components. Then we want to create a Kickstart component from these elements. Provide a name, text image. Okay, let's do some formatting here. Like this. And like this one. So we want to turn the figure into a manageable asset. Just give it a name using Kickstart called image. This headline, we want to have it editable. Turn it into a field called headline. This one, the paragraph tag, shall also get an editable field called text. And we need some attributes here to make this rich text editable. So we specify a class name for the rich text field definition. So save this, return to your browser, refresh the page, and here we can add our first text image component. Let's upload some asset. Say we use the smile, choose, provide some headline. I'll just copy paste something here like this, and some text like this. So we'll make this bold. Save. Here we go. That's our first component generated using Kickstart. Let's do the same again using the link component. So specify component name. Say it's called link. We want to we have to manage or to edit the href attribute here. So we provide a Kickstart field named link. Provide some plumbing required to select a page from the page tree in Magnolia. So we want to rewrite the href attribute with something dynamic. Say content link. In here we don't need a title yet, but what we want to do is managing the field label here, the link label. Okay, that's it. Save. Refresh in your browser. We will add a new component in the main area. There's our link. Select the page. There it is. Okay, what didn't we map yet? So there's a navigation in here. It's not yet dynamic, it's still static. Let's turn this one into a dynamic one. And it's actually quite simple. Locate the navigation tag in here. We use conventional HTML5 code here. Just provide an ID called main. Hit save, refresh, and it's a dynamic navigation. Let's go to pages, create some other navigation entries. Say learn, and try, save. Go back to the page and there we are. So this is what we just generated using Kickstart. It's fully manageable page within Magnolia. Let's have a quick look what Kickstart actually generated. So let's go to the configuration. Kickstart generated page templates for you containing area definitions, navigations. It generated component definitions for you, wired them with the dialogues. Here are dialog definitions generated for your components containing all the fields we specified in our static prototype. Moreover, Kickstart generated template scripts for you. Let's have a look at the templates. Here's, for example, our text image component template. It's all there. Okay, that's it. You just created your first Magnolia manageable website using MGNL Kickstart. Have fun!